I have over 17 years of experience in drug product development, mainly focused on developing spray technologies as well as oral solutions, mainly sublingual and intranasal through the 505(b)(1) and B2 pathways. And as an example, we have developed a cannabinoid oral solution that has a potential to improve the quality of the life for children and adults with unmet medical needs. So with our decades of experience, we understand the unique challenges of developing the oral liquids and spray products, which includes intranasal sprays and sublingual sprays. And we offer a broad range of capabilities to address the specific needs of the drug development.